Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to connect ChatGPT to Google Sheets and use the power of ChatGPT inside your Google Sheets documents. So as you can see, I have used ChatGPT here to write me a blog post intro on how to make money with affiliate marketing, and this response has been completely generated with ChatGPT and inside Google Sheets without leaving the Google Sheets and opening up chat.openai.com. So if you want to also connect ChatGPT to Google Sheets, the easiest way to do it is to use an extension called GPT for Sheets and Docs. And you can install this extension by opening up this page. I will link the URL in the description below. Then you're going to also be able to check this out and click install if you want to also try it out in your Google Sheets. So as you can see here, this is not only for Google Sheets, but it also works in Google Docs. I have other tutorials on how to use an AI writer, which is basically ChatGPT inside Google Docs, and write complete blog posts with ChatGPT 3 and ChatGPT 4, how to summarize text, translate text, and all that good stuff. But now let's focus on ChatGPT for Sheets. So click on install here and open up a new Google Sheets document. So first, you're not going to see this sidebar here. So let me show you what you have to do. If you haven't used this extension before, you have to first set an OpenAI API key. And you can do that by clicking on extensions here and selecting GPT for Sheets, then click on set API key here, because we have to use an OpenAI API key to be able to use ChatGPT inside Google Sheets. And to connect this extension to our Google Sheets document, we have to enter our OpenAI API key here. If you don't know how to do that, I have a separate tutorial where I show you how to use this and how you can get also 5 USD free credits, which will be enough for a lot of content generation inside this Google Sheets document. Then once you added your OpenAI API key, just click on Save API Key and you are good to go. So once you have added your ChatGPT API key, all you have to do is click on Extensions here, then select Launch and Enable Functions. And you don't even have to use this sidebar here. I just want to show you what kind of functions are available here. So as you can see, there are some settings you can change here. So what is the model you want to use? So you can use GPT-4 if you have access to it. And there are also some tips here and some good stuff, how to generate formulas and stuff like that. But there are some pre-made ChatGPT functions. So if you click on list of GPT function, you're gonna see all of the pre-made functions here. So the most simple one is the one you might be using the most, is the GPT function. So basically it's an AI writer. So you have to do is add GPT and then the ChatGPT prompt you want to execute. There's also GPT links function that outputs results in a column. HList, GPT HList will give you the results in a row. And there are some really good custom functions here, like GPT summarize will summarize your content. GPT extract will extract data from a text. You can also use this extension to classify content or data from your Google Sheets and so on and so forth. So make sure to check this list as well. I will also link a URL in the description below where you can check out all these functions and how do they work and how you can use them. But let's see a quick example. So once we have connected our ChatGPT to Google Sheets, we can use ChatGPT inside Google Sheets. So all we have to do is add an equal sign, then start typing GPT, and this will list out all of the Google Sheets function you can use. So in this example, let's use the most simple one, so GPT, and then we can add the prompt here, adding a double quotes and add our ChatGPT prompts. So we want to get a list of 10 high-ticket affiliate marketing programs, then add the prompt, and once you edit the prompt, just press enter and ChatGPT will come up with a response here. So as you can see, it has come up with a list of 10 high-ticket affiliate marketing programs. So ClickFunnels, Bluehost, SEMrush, Shopify, and these are indeed high-ticket affiliate marketing programs. So all in all, this is how to connect ChatGPT to Google Sheets and use ChatGPT inside your Google Sheets documents.